Hello, this is Yard, and here is our DSF circuit design. So we have, from the last lab, we made a timer, which is over here, and in this lab we use an AND gate and two switches to make a gated clock, basically. So first of all, this AND gate. So basically, we're using a 7408 chip, which is a quad AND gate. And basically what we're ANDing is this input over here, which comes from this switch, and this input over here, which is basically from the timer chip, the output of the timer chip. And we're basically wiring the result to this resistor into this LED. So basically, if this switch is on and the timer is working properly, then this switch should be on. And not only will it be on, but since the AND gate is also linked to the timer, this should also behave like this LED from last lab, where it acts as a timer in 1 second intervals, or with a frequency of 1 Hertz. And then this LED is basically turned on if this switch is turned on, because as you can see here, this switch is wired to connect to the LED, and it won't behave like a timer because it's not connected to the timer of this chip. And as you can see here, the switch is also connected to VCC with the red wire, and the AND gate is also connected to VCC and is also connected to ground. And this switch, it's basically there to vary the resistance of the equivalent resistance of the circuit, because it's just linked to this 220 ohm resistor, which is also linked up to ground, as you can see. And yeah, so basically, to sum it all up, if we turn on the power source, this LED should obviously be a timer. This LED shouldn't be on because the switch isn't on, which means this AND gate isn't true. But if we turn the switch on, then not only will this LED light up, but this LED will also start to blink in the same interval as this, because it's ANDed with the timer. So let's see. Let's turn this, oops, sorry for the shadow. Let's turn this on. And as you can see, blinking in 1 second intervals. Now we'll turn on this switch. And as you can see, the second LED is blinking in 1 second intervals with this, but this LED is only staying bright because it's not connected to the chip. Pretty cool, huh? That concludes this episode of Doki Circuit Club. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hope you have a nice day.